Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the human excretory system in a very simple way. This topic is important for both ICSE and CBSE Class 10, and I will also give you exam tips to help you score full marks. Let's begin. First of all, what is excretion? Excretion is the process of removing nitrogenous waste products from the body. The main organs for this process is the kidney. Our kidneys not only remove urea but also help maintain the water and salt balance in our body. Organs of the excretory system. The human excretory system consists of four main parts. Two kidneys that filter blood and produce urine. Two ureters that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder which stores the urine. And finally the urethra, which releases urine outside the body. This is the basic layout of the excretory system. Let's understand kidney structure. So let's focus on the kidney. So the kidneys are bean-shaped, reddish brown in color. So they are reddish brown organs. Each kidney is protected by an outer covering, which is called the renal capsule. Inside, you can see two main regions. The outer is called the cortex and the inner is called medulla. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron, which we will discuss in detail next. So, the nephron is called the functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons, and each nephron helps in the formation of urine. The nephron starts with the Bowman's capsule, also called Malpighian capsule, which surrounds a tuft of capillaries called the glomerulus. Here, filtration of blood takes place. Then comes the tubular part, where useful substances like glucose and water are reabsorbed and extra waste products are secreted. Finally, the collecting duct collects urine and passes it on to the renal pelvis. So the nephron is like a tiny filter unit in the kidney. Let's understand urine formation now. The process of urine formation takes place in 4 steps. First, filtration at the glomerulus. Second is reabsorption of useful substances in the tubule. Third is secretion of extra wastes into the tubule. And fourth is excretion, where the final urine is collected in the collecting duct and passed into the ureter. So remember, filtration, reabsorption, secretion and excretion. Dialysis. Sometimes when kidneys fail, they cannot filter blood properly. In such cases, a process called dialysis is used. In dialysis, a machine works like an artificial kidney and purifies the blood. This process is life-saving for patients with kidney failure. It is a very common exam question, so don't forget to revise it. Now, some tips for your exams. Whenever you draw the diagram of nephron, which is a very common question, label it neatly. Of course, you have to draw it nicely and neatly. Label it very neatly, especially the nephron, different parts, the kidneys. When you are labeling, neat labeling should be done. Now, common questions which comes generally from this is draw the nephron, label it properly, or explain the steps of urine formation, or what is dialysis. These are very common questions that you get from this chapter. And remember to use key terms when you are writing your answers like Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, reabsorption and secretion. You should use these words while you are writing the answers. This will help you score full marks. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more weekly lessons. Also comment worksheet below if you want a practice sheet for the excretory system. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so stay tuned for the next one. See you in the next video and all the best for your exams.